In this video, we're going to be talking about additional income streams for artists. Pun most definitely intended. In all seriousness though, outside of getting paid per streams, there's a number of other ways that artists can make money from their music and from their skills, from their expertise. I wanted to highlight a number of these and reached out recently across various social media platforms. And as you can see, I got a significant number of responses from this. So what I did was I started to compile these responses, and I'm going to burn through this as quickly as I can. The full article is also up on my LinkedIn page as well, and I'll be sure to include a link in the comments if you prefer to read the article, click the links, and do more research as well. Let's get into it. Sell merchandise. Fans love to rep their favorite artists, whether it's a cool logo or an original art design. There's a number of services that offer print and ship on demand merch as well, which means no cost to the artist and great for the environment. Going live. Connect with fans on a deeper level and chat with them while you perform, create, play, or just hang out. Many of these platforms allow you to directly tip and subscribe to those artists. Hosting a podcast. Sell your music direct. If you own all of the rights to your music, you released it 100% yourself, you can sell MP3s, CDs, vinyl, cassette tapes, even music videos, and you could sell these directly to fans. You can apply for music grants. Local organizations may have access to funds and be able to provide grants to artists. Search for funds, F-U-N-D-S, or grants in your country. And if you find one that could help another artist, perhaps not even yourself, but another artist, let them know. Send them a link. You might be able to help them out as well. Create custom songs for fans. Change some lyrics in one of your existing songs to make it personal. These can be fun. They can be for any occasion, from birthdays to breakups. I've been told I have to keep it under 3 minutes, so until we run out of time, here's Two Cats Wrestling. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Make some noise in the comments. Let me know what I've missed. And please, if you found this valuable, share it with anyone that could benefit. Thank you.